Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to give Robux to friends. So from your Roblox profile, go on tap to create a new group. So from your groups, just tap on create group, and then in here just fill in all the informations, the name, description, and also the image of that specific group, and just save it. So once you have created the group already, go on tap this settings icon and go on help, and in here we want to type for the account. We want to go to tap the first option and just tap on need more help. And in here you can now fill in the information. You can now have the your first name and also the details of the issue that is you are experiencing. So for example, this one you're using PC, and the type of help that you want to have, and then also just completing the description. So for example, you want to send this or transfer this Roblox to a specific friend, just include here the username, and then you want to click submit. So all you have to do is just to wait for a couple minutes or weeks for the Roblox to respond to you, and hopefully it will appear on your friend's account. So if this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.